Uptake is an enterprise software company that delivers predictive analytic informed outcomes in major industries, including locomotives, energy, oil and gas, aviation, manufacturing, and more. The future to me of optimization and sort of maximized efficiency of manufacturing and more all comes from the combination of people and technology, and it's driven. Superpowers are created through machine learning and artificial intelligence. Revolutions are best fortified and magnified through collaboration. So the sense of team over the individual is also the core philosophy behind collaboration that is also at the core, of course, of mHUB and UI Labs. These are organizations that are built on collaboration, that rely on and are fueled by interesting collaborations where ultimately 1 + 1 = 3, which is probably no surprise my favorite equation, and that's the equation of teamwork and the equation also of collaboration. This is the place to be. This is the heart of American manufacturing, of American industry. Not perhaps Chicago specific, but the Midwest, if you look at it demographically and from an industry perspective, this is where industries have been built.